What's goody? What's popping, y'all? Welcome back to another video. You know, back with the Honda. We already filled her up with oil. We filled her up with coolant. Now all we have to do is start her. Just bled the clutch. The clutch is a little off because I have a clutch stop now, so I might have to adjust the clutch a little bit. Feel like it's not engaging the clutch enough, but we're about to see right now. Once Paige gets out here, we're gonna give her a fire for our first dry fire. Give her a little startup, see if she how she sounds and everything. Tune will definitely be off because of the motor and the turbo, but we're not worried about that. So we just gonna try to put miles on it, put miles on the clutch, brand new clutch. So we gotta get that break-in period done with, so that way we'll be able to drive it. It should start no problem. I did have a coolant leak back here. I don't know if it's still gonna have one. Nope, it looked like it's dry now. I might put some Honda Bond on that, but other than that, it's all ready to go.
So everything's rolling up here. Just smell the fuel too. God damn! Tornado! Oh, it's in the passenger seat.
Unless I'm holding the gas.
Really?
Yeah.
She's alive though.
Yeah.
Just a little probably log issues. Smells good.
Yeah.
Look at me. Grinning ear to ear.
I'm hyped.
Let's go.
Just need to tune
It
it.
smells so good. No, you'll probably see it in the GoPro when you first started it was like just a little
rowdy.
dust.
It sounds rowdy.
Oh, the turbo? Ooh. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh.
What? The fan?
No, my fucking sensor. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's wrong with that distributor. I'm gonna take it with me, but
Probably just like you said, log issue.
yeah, they probably gotta swap it over or something at Honda data, but
Yeah.
it's supposed to
Well,
work.
you guessed it though. You're like, I think it's the
Yeah,
distributor.
it's something new. Something like completely new.
Yeah. You haven't been on Hound Data yet either. You just want to take it straight to Brent.
Yeah. I want it to run.
Let's go.
I want it to run before I even get to Brent. I want to be able to drive it, so
Yeah.
I want to be able to take it like out and put some miles on the damn clutch.
Oh yeah.
Y'all saw the Honda, don't mind the hood, I'm still cleaning that up, but y'all saw the Honda started yesterday. So now we're going to get the S10 in Lubbock, Texas. Oh man, early in the morning, I'm tired. But we're gonna first go get food and then go get the S10. I didn't tell y'all But yes, we're getting an S10. That's probably gonna be our small block Chevy build, nitrous, until we can hit twin turbo. So let's hit the road for that, and let's go meet up with this guy.
I just wanna fuck, little bit, so what? 'Cause I don't give a fuck. I just wanna fuck.
A little flooded. All right, everybody, we are here. Here is his truck, the little S10. There's a lot. Here, let me switch it around. Like everything, I know it's hard to see. Everything is in the bed right now. It is absolutely gross outside, and I didn't get out, but Shaq's out there. We got a couple things back here, and the whole block and engine are in the back. Here he comes.
Oh, it's fucking wet. Raining. Let's see if you can put the rag in it real quick.
Good. But back to what I was saying. It's nasty out here in Lubbock today.
You want to back it up to the trailer? Or? I'm just going to straighten the trailer out. Which way do I have to turn?
You're good.
Think that'll work.
Huh?
I think that'll work.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
Turned.
You got the winch, so.
Yes. Can you give me the, what's the name? All right, guys, so we got the truck, and here she is. S10, we have all the body panels and everything in the truck, and in the back of the truck. It came with a hood, a cow hood, and everything, beefed up rear end. The only thing it does not have is the transmission and the drive shaft. They broke the transmission to snap the drive shaft because this motor is like, it's too big for that 350 they put in here. I'm gonna put a 400, but we just gotta drive it back to New Mexico. So stopping to get some diesel for the truck, and then we're on our way back. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. Got most of the stuff cleaned out of the S10. I know like last night got here pretty late, so I didn't clean most of the stuff out, but I got most of the stuff out of the S10. Also wanted to go ahead and take a stab at painting this raw metal, because all this was raw. So what I did is I got the rubberized undercoat. You can see it's like bubbling, but I just sprayed it real quick because it looked like it's about to rain, and I cannot let my frame get cancer. So I go ahead and sprayed that with the rubber. And also it had a metal bumper on it as well, and that started to rust. So I sanded it down and I hit it with some primer paint. That's all I'm gonna do right now until I can find this kind of blue. I don't know what blue this is. I thought it was Chevy blue, but it's not. When we find this blue, I'll be able to paint the bumper as well, and maybe the tailgate. So right now it's a lot of me just cleaning up. I went ahead and cleaned out the inside as well. Need to vacuum, but most of this stuff in here is clean now. Now you guys can actually see it. So we have a B&M shifter for our transmission. The steering wheel probably gonna go. Most of this stuff is already done. I just need to give it some love. Probably gonna remove the carpet and clean it completely when I do the roll cage, or if I ever do the roll cage. I probably will, but remember, this is a street car. It's not where I'm gonna have it like the Honda street car ish. So cleaning the bed out, taking most of this trash and stuff and dumping it out. Gotta grab those bolts. Other than that, this thing is ready for me to throw this 350 in. I also gotta crack that open, try to see, make sure no water got in it, because when we was driving back, there was a lot of water when it was raining. So I gotta crack that open, make sure everything in there is good. Matter of fact, I'm probably right now gonna try to go put that in the garage on the jack stand or engine hoist. We're almost there. Almost. We got the truck in the garage. Got the Honda on the trailer ready to go for PFI. I'm just doing some work, and then I found this in the AC. It's kind of why I hate working on other people's things. I had to cut off the mounts because somebody welded them onto the member, cut them off. Now we just have to cut this stuff so we can get this stuff all fixed and get our plate onto here. I gotta remove the heater core out of the car. Other than that, we're looking at a good path. So what?
It's duct tape.
I know.
They spray painted.
Somebody duct taped it in there. I don't know why they did that.
They spray painted it.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that. That was maybe
Took the shit out.
Oh, cause it cracked. I didn't see it was cracked. Somebody cracked it and they wanted to close it up. Oh my god, I hate working on other people's cars or other people's problems.
Red for me too.
Yeah. I gotta remove this. We're just waiting on our mounts for our radiator and our cabin so we can start doing major things. I found my tail lights. Couldn't find them at first, but now I found the harness for the tail lights so we can get our tail lights in. Then I bought a 350 transmission, a turbo 350. Probably got to just throw a new oil pan gasket on this, but that's ready to go. And then we have to try to get a drive shaft mounted, and we have to work on this. I want to remove that carburetor so we can throw on AN lines. That way we'll have an AN line set up on our carburetor. On that, it's pretty good. She would swear she thinks she's about to drive this car. She is not driving this car.
You bought this truck for me.
Sure. And you can do all the work.
Okay.
Okay. I'll watch it sit here for 3 years. Just like this.